guys, welcome back to Remy Organics, where we teach you how to make your own beauty products at home, safe from all chemicals and toxins. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make your own African black soap that will lighten and brighten your skin safely. It is very mild and soothing for the skin. This soap will help you achieve a fresh and a smooth skin. The ingredients we'll be using in this video include cucumber. It depends on the batch size you're using, it depends on the size of the soap you want to achieve. So we have a fresh lemon. We have our soap, the soap base, which is the African black soap. We have orange powder. We have our honey. We have carrot powder. In the place of carrot powder, you can as well use fresh carrot. We have sandalwood powder. So before we get into the details, let's first of all understand the benefits or the nutrients found in these various ingredients listed above. Cucumber is skin soothing and very rich in silica. It lightens dark circles around the eyes. So if you have dark eyes, for example, dark circles around your eyes, you can always cut off cucumber and you rub around the area and it will naturally lighten the area, and it's very good for your skin and soothing as well. The next ingredient is our carrot powder, which is very rich in vitamin A and it contains beta-carotene. Apart from the fact that it improves your vision, it can also help to repair your skin tissue. It also protects the skin against the sun's harsh ray. We have lemon as our next ingredient. It is very rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Hence, it can brighten and lighten the skin naturally. Vitamin C is also a great antioxidant against free radicals and can boost collagen production in the skin. Our next ingredient is our honey. Honey can help reduce the visibility of large pores on the skin, especially when combined with lemon. So it's a great ingredient for the skin. It creates a natural glow for the skin. It lightens your skin naturally and it will moisturize your skin 100%. Just try as much as possible to get the original form of it. Our sandalwood powder is an excellent remedy for black and white hairs. It is a mild exfoliant that cleanses your skin pores naturally. It also has antibacterial properties that will help your skin glow naturally. So let's get started. You want to wash your cucumber, and if in case you are using fresh carrots, you wash your cucumber and your carrot properly. So this has been washed already and it was already ready to use. It depends on the quantity of your soap you'll be making, as I said earlier. So we'll be using just a half of this cucumber and we'll keep the other half away. So what we want to do is slice it into our blender. I'll slice it into smaller pieces. Our blender. And if you have your carrot as well, you want to do the same. But if you are using carrot powder, then there is no need for that. So I will go blend this and I will be back shortly. Okay, we are back with our cucumber juice. So what we did here is blend the cucumber with, you can blend it with your Molinex. Make sure that it's a Molinex for skincare. Please separate your skincare instruments from your kitchen instrument, because you don't want to put pepper on your skin one day. So you blend your cucumber, you use a muslin cloth. When I say muslin cloth, I mean this cloth that we used to use in the village to wash pap. For those of you who know how to wash pap, that's the cloth. You strain it out and you have your cucumber juice. And the next thing you want to do is slice your already washed lemon and squeeze out the water. Please, you don't need too much of it because it can actually make your soap to stop foaming. So you need, it depends on the quantity you'll be using. So I'll use just half the lemon. Get all the seeds out. So we have our lemon juice here. What we want to do with our soap is chop it into small pieces. Sometimes I would prefer you rather just grate it because you want it to dissolve easily, but I will just scatter it with my hands. You can as well grate it however you want to do this. Okay, we'll be adding up all our ingredients. First, the cucumber extract. Our sandalwood powder. Brighten the skin. Orange belongs to the citrus family as well. It will brighten your skin and help you achieve a healthy glow. Okay, so we have our orange powder here. And lastly, our honey. Allow it for some time to soak. Once it soaks into the soap very well, we'll leave it stand like this for 20 minutes at least. Once it soaks very well, we can either pound it, or if it's very soft, you can just mix it like that and package. So, see you very soon. So our soap is ready. This was powdered and we have packaged it already. To use this soap, you would have to moisten your skin with water. You don't just apply it to your sponge, you'll be wasting the soap. So moisten your skin with water, take the soap and massage all over your skin. You can leave it on for some few seconds. You scrub with your sponge and you rinse off to have its benefits. The end of this video. If you loved this video, please give us a like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you have been with us for some time already, thank you for being here. Unfortunately guys, this will be our last video for the year. We are wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2020. So hoping to see you all next year. Bye for now.